Good morning children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Today we will do question number 2 of exercise 6b. So children, question number 2 is write all the factors of the following numbers using multiplication. In question number 1 we had find out the division factors by division method. Here we will use multiplication method. So first question is 74. So children, we will see here also the same things we have to do, that we have to find out the 74 comes in which tables. So in the table of ones and in the table of itself it can come. Now in between which table it can come, we will see that. So in the table of 174 is 74 it is. In the table of 2 it comes in 37 times. When we will multiply 37 and 2, the answer will come 74. Now the third number is 37. We are multiplying 2 by 37 here, it comes 74. So in third step 37 multiplied by 2 also 74. 74 multiplied by 1 is 74. So the factors of 74 are 1, 2, 37, 74. Now question number 2, 32 it is. So we will find out the tables in which 32 comes. It comes in ones table. 1 32s are 32, 2 16s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 16 2s are 32 and 32 1s are 32. So it comes in table of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now let's see question number C. So question number C is 54. 54 comes in table of 1. 154s are 54, 2 27s are 54, 3 18s are 54, 6 9s are 54, 9 6 are 54, 18 3s are 54, 27 2s are 54 and 54 1s are 54. So it comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So the factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Now question number D, it is 92. So we will find out here in which tables the 92 comes. It comes in the table of 1, 192s are 92. Then table of 2, 246. When we will multiply 46 by 2, answer will come 92. So 246 are 92. Again 4 23s are 92. 23 when multiplied by 4, answer will come 92. So 4 23s are 92. 23 multiplied by 4, it will come 92. 46 multiplied by 2, it will come 92. And 92 ones are 92. So factors of 92 are 1, 2, 4, 23, 46 and 92. Now question number E is 100. So 100 comes in the table of 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So when we will multiply by 1 by 100, answer will come 100. When we will multiply 2 by 50, answer will come 100. When we will multiply 4 by 25, answer will come 100. 5 by 20, 100. 10 by 10, 100. 20 by 5, 100. 25 by 4, 100. 50 by 2, 100. 100 by 1, 100. In this the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So here we have written the factors also. Factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So children, your homework is you have to learn and write the table of 18 and 19 in your classwork copy. Once again I am repeating the homework. You have to learn and write the table of 18 and 19 in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.